Well, I've been cleaning up in the bathroom, as you can see. Still haven't cleaned up there though. But yeah, now I'm taking out the bathroom. I already removed this, and hopefully I could. Wait a minute. Has splatter ones in my face. Disgusting. How does this work? Okay, like this. Open it big and wait a minute. God damn it. Okay, wait a second. Oh, this thing is a mess. Whatever am I gonna do with this? Let's see. I guess this thingy. Well, oh boy, this is gonna have to be replaced, I suppose. Oh god. Well, one day I'll have a good looking toilet here. Maybe just not today. Okay. Well, this little thingy there that goes underneath the box there, that's what made the, I guess, the water leak from underneath there. So see, now it's full, and if I flush, see, there's no water coming out. It's all stays dry. And I guess for years and years and years, it's been just dripping a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. So put some towels underneath. All these towels there. Now all I have to do is just repair a little bit and solidify the foundation, and I guess I'm alright. Yay!